Presently, we have a challenge in Sweden, as in other countries, that not only liberal Christians, but also members in evangelical churches say that we should no longer speak critically about sin, especially the one most embraced in Western culture, but instead affirm and talk about God's love. How would you respond to such a claim?
Well, I would ignore it. I think that we, as faithful Christians and disciples of Jesus, have to be faithful in proclaiming the full gospel. Now, I don't think that means we have to be in your face or rude or use Christian vocabulary. Very often, for example, instead of the old fashioned word sin, I'll talk about moral wrongdoing. All of us have experienced moral failures in our life where we have not lived up to our moral obligations. And anyone who's honest will recognize that. And therefore, the question of how one can be cleansed of one's moral failures, how can one find forgiveness and pardon for one's moral wrongdoing, is a very relevant question.